reset. Why don't you reset? On 3, 2, 1, play.
Oh no. Oh, he missed. Oh, we got it.
You know, those. Whoa!
Oh. Go back. Whoa.
Okay.
Okay. Can you back up a little bit, Lou? Okay, no, let's reset. Yeah,
Flip on flipper.
yeah, your claws of doom, which I warned you about, are clawing everything.
Hey.
No, it was the flipper that caught.
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa. No, what happened to him?
Why are you attacking the red one just because you go to the ball first? Okay, what's happening?
I don't know.
You stuck with him again?
Should we move back?
Okay.
Yeah, we should move back. I don't know. Oh, okay. Try to defend.
You have done one of the cables.
Let me move back.
Yeah, reset. Yeah, it's hooked on your cable.
Just check your cables through this computer.
Yeah,
Put
just
it in the corner. I think it's fine. So you can do much. 3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, go. Go, let's go.
No!
Oh!
Wait, is it falling off?
Nothing happened.
Except now we're just resting.
No, it could happen that the score happens because it happens. Okay, Blue, can you back up a bit? There we go.
Oh, okay. Other people whipping enough ball.
Oh shoot, okay.
Can we reset the flipper? Go reset. Reset the
No,
flipper.
don't get in the camera. Just don't get in the camera.
Oh, just reset the flipper so we can do that. Okay, good.
You make him angry.
Now it's good.
Now it's good to go and attack the red one.
Let's go for the ball. The red one's also attack.
Okay.
Half time.
No, it's getting to the ball.
Oh!
Come on. Oh, it's
It's hugging us, come on.
Tackling. Okay, reset.
His claws are stuck in a
You guys have too many claws, all of you. That's what you get for having gigantic claws. Go!
Come on, Rock, come on. Just align properly.
Ah!
Defense.
Okay, swap sides. In the battle of the claws,
Yeah.
it's gonna go to 0-0 penalty kicks again.
well,
Well, we tried.
Yeah.
Wait, does it matter which side you're on? We just switch colors.
We have two. I'll keep it for now.
We'll have to switch sides around.
Okay. So we're red now, so we'll change this to 1. And then up.
Good.
Okay, 1 second. Is that straight? Like, I don't think it's parallel.
dude, do we millimeter measure it?
Oh, well, yeah, this part's good.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, yes.
Our image capture is not working.
Oh, what?
Init V4L2 field.
What does that mean?
Wait, hold
What that means is you're not getting any camera feed.
yeah.
Yeah, that's.
Have you checked your USB port? Have you checked the other USB port?
Wait, I think we're good.
All right.
But it was magical touch.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, play. Oh,
Oh no.
okay. Let's see what that. Oh, interesting.
Is it okay?
Okay. Yeah, you backed it up, I guess.
Oh, can we fix the car? Or?
Could you fix the color?
Well, not right now, just kind of in the middle of the action.
Well, man.
It's gonna more damage to the block.
This is a nice.
Oh, it's just like
fight.
wrestling.
Yeah.
Okay. No, it's
Oh,
fine.
never
It's
mind, it's
fine.
fine.
I think it's fine. Yeah, no, it's a lot.
Oh, I
Gas
can
them
foresee what's gonna happen up there.
Okay, okay, you got the ball now. I think his claws are all messed up now.
Oh,
Good defense though. They have the same issue.
This might
push
be.
them in.
Could you guys move your robot back?
Well, yeah, or if you let us score, that'd be great.
Oh no. Oh no. What's happening?
Okay, reset because we're all stuck.
It's like stuck on there.
I think we're on that side. No, it is.
Last side, right side.
Does the kicker push down? Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, defensive position.
Shoot it! Oh, it's stuck again. Oh. Oh no. Whoa! That's where they go rapid. Oh.
Now we're protecting the ball.
Whoa!
And
Oh,
okay.
That's
Are you trying to disassemble the rapid and plan?
I don't know what's happening.
Reset.
Could you reset our flipper?
Reset. Flippers, reset. Put the ball in the center, please. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Camera.
Come on. Come on, you can do it, you can do it.
Kick that.
Just
Kick it. Oh.
Its flippers and its claws are everywhere.
Oh yeah, you can't kick it. Yeah.
It's sabotaging our flipper.
Yeah, I was touching our flipper.
Hey, again, live by the claw, die by the claw. I did warn you about it.
It's our flipper,
Okay,
not
there we
your
go.
claw. Reset your
What's going to happen?
It's trying to reset, but the claw's in the way.
But it's not even trying to reset though.
It might
It's
still
gonna reset.
happen.
Just give it a second. If it's in the right position, just rotate you.
They might be tangled.
There we go. Kick it. Ah, it's over. And we're done at 0. So you know what happens.
Yeah.
Don't kick time.
Yay, it's over! Reset.
Okay, 2 soccer mode.
So it's like best out of 4.
Okay,
That's it.
best out of 5.
Okay.
Who wants to go first?
I'll go first.
Okay, you go first. Set it as you like.
Wrong
Center?
side. Wrong side.
Oh yeah.
Wrong side?
Because we're ready.
Corner, come on. Yeah, a little bit behind. Corner, there we go.
But then the thing is the actual
That's fine. Whenever you are ready. Now you have to pick a penalty.
calibrations are off.
They touch the ball, so that's it. That's a missed penalty.
No.
Okay, we're using actual penalty mode.
Yeah, let's do that.
Your turn.
What was penalty mode again? 1 or 2?
Look at the phone.
2.
You can put the ball in the center or corner you like.
Yeah, just double check. I'm pretty sure it's
It's closed the weekly or whatever.
Okay.
Whatever you want, by the way.
When you are ready.
Yes, we're on.
Okay. We'll try.
This is a tough game.
It's a tough game. Tough business, this penalty shootout thing.
For the sake of safety, put it there.
Put it right here. Put it right
Put it
here.
right here. Put it right here.
Okay, let's see what happens.
That's what happens.
It's connected to the ball.
It's connected to the ball. There we go. toast.
Yeah, that's it.
And it's convulsing. Okay.
Oh yeah, they were the group that the jiggle.
Okay. Your turn.
Okay, do you want to play soccer mode? In soccer mode is safe.
It's not about
Yeah. I think it counts.
When you're ready. There we go.
I don't know why.
That's why he didn't come. Because they actually got
Wait, touch.
Oh. Oh. Yeah.
One. Okay. Okay.
You want to start up this side? You want us to start up?
Try the opposite side, that corner.
You been in your code as well?
I don't know. I don't think I have time to scan these.
No, just make sure it's on the right. Are you running soccer mode or how?
I won't be kicker.
You just want to run soccer mode?
I'm sure I'm done with the kicker once again. Yes. No, I just got it.
But the thing is, last time I did it early, that's what I'm
Why does he do that? The convulsions.
Why does it kick too early?
We technically didn't touch the ball, so it could be.
No. It went and it missed. Okay.
Oh shoot! No.
Number 3.
Here we go.
Yes, you can go. Touch the ball. What do you think?
I think that's good.
You think that's good? That's good. Okay, that's 2.
Come back with the season. Let's do it.
Yeah, you need to score on this one.
They need to score all 3.
Well, no, they need to
Oh,
score.
yeah.
If they don't score,
They need to score 2 and they need to miss all. the
that's
rest.
right.
But I think he's just very focused. That's why. It's just we have to change it. Before when it did it before.
Here it is.
So we have to change it to then we change it, just kick it.
Move that kickball. Dude, that was that shit.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Let's do it. Nice score. Good. Okay.
Oh, we still have a shot.
You just have to miss.
You have to miss how many? One?
All.
Two more.
Well, they have to miss
No,
and you have to score the last
if
one.
they get one, it's over.
If they get one, it's over. Yeah. Go.
Yeah, it's gonna get it.
GG's.
Unless he decides to just stop.
Like, oh,
In which case,
Oh, but the recognition is off. The glove. Does that count as a thing? What's happening? Are they resetting it now?
Nope.
It's the image recognition somehow died.
so we take this as a non-goal because
no-goal then, yeah.
We have the same shoot, so.
Yeah.
Wait.
What do you mean? Wait, we
Oh,
touched
they
the
touched
ball.
it, so it's over.
Well, dude. It happens.
Recognition is off. Okay. Comeback season, boys. Comeback season.
Okay, same corner.
Same quarter.
Let's go.
Same corner, same position.
There you go.
And make sure the ball's aligned. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Take it away.
That one section, it's just connecting to the
It's just
ball.
we have to run it again.
What happens if they get the same they miss next time?
Then it goes one.
Then we
Whoever
get
misses
to
next.
That's sudden death.
First, and the other scores is over.
This is intense one.
Okay. Take it away. Let's go. Let's go. There we go.
I know, does it every time. It's hilarious.
Yeah, no, just what would call it?
So you're just looking around so I can see
What's going on?
what's happening.
Okay, now once it gets close enough,
Oh.
should run and kick. Should run and kick.
Oh, it's over. That's it.
Damn it.
Good game, good game.
You guys have to stay because you're playing for third with Sky Gambler. Sky Gambler, come on.
Third place game now.